Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. It's again from their latest collection, and you guys kept requesting me, emailing me to unbox this product. So finally I have it here. I received it within like 5 days, so it was like a super fast delivery. So first let's start with the blouse fabric. Here it is. It comes in this off-white color, and the fabric used here is Bengali silk. There's this beautiful golden sequence work given. Now this is the front of the blouse, and the sequence is actually stitched, not stuck, which is a nice thing. It's not going to come off when you wash it. And the best part is they have given the same sequence design to the back of the blouse as well, which is really nice. And the finishing, if you see, it's very well made. Again, the glitter or sequence work over here, it's not very rough, it's pretty soft on skin, so you can actually wear this for a longer time. And again, they've included this piece of sequence work for the sleeves as well, so you can get like half sleeves out of this. Now the Bengali silk fabric is a little see-through, if you can see that, so you'll have to get a lining attached. Now what I really like about this blouse is it's pretty grand, so you can actually mix and match and wear it with any of your other saris as well. Very nice. And there's about like 0.90 meter of fabric for the blouse, which is nice. Now coming to the lehenga, again it comes in this off-white color. This is the waist part, it's just plain, there's no design. And then comes this heavy thread work design, very beautiful thread work design. And upon that they've like stuck rhinestones in golden. The rhinestone quality also looks nice, even the glue, not even a single rhinestones fell off for now, which is nice. And the design is same till the 3/4, and then they have changed the design. The design gets like bigger, and to the bottom they have this floral design again in this white thread. And to the bottom they have like given this golden sequence work. Again, the sequence work is very nicely made, guys. On the other side, if you see, the finishing is so good, so good. Very nice fabric. I really loved how it is. And to the inner side they have given the satin fabric. Again, they have done this beading work as well, so that no threads come off, which is like an excellent thing. Who does that? About the flare, guys, there is about 2.5 to 3 meters of flare, and then this is going to fit up to 42 to 44 inches of waist size. It is pretty huge. It's a little on a heavier side because of this heavy work and a lot of rhinestones. There is no cancan attached, but they've included this piece of cancan, which is really a nice thing because you can get it attached anywhere you want. And I would suggest you to get it somewhere under, below your knees, because that is where your lehenga gets like a perfect lift. So that is just a suggestion. So I really like this. The lengthwise is also very good. Now coming to the dupatta, it comes in this white color. Again, the fabric used here is mono net, and they have given the sequence detailing to the border. This is the same design like how it was on the lehenga or the bottom. So it's the same design. The sequence work is very nicely made. Again, it looks of a very good quality. The stitching is very nice, and all throughout the dupatta they've given this sequence detailing. Now the length of this is again 2.5 meter. All JOMSO dupattas are like long, they don't actually send like short dupattas. And the fabric is also very nice, it's pretty soft, so it's going to stand like the way you want. coming to the comparison, guys, if you go to their website and check the pic and what I received, it's almost the same. The design, the blouse, the embroidery, even the bottom design of dupatta, lehenga also, they have like replicated in a proper exact way. So I'm not sure if it is a replica design or it's their original. It looks like it's their original collection, and the pleating, everything is perfect. So I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. And about the price, guys, the original price of this was 4,990 and the discounted price is just 2,549, which again I think is a good deal, because if you go to any local market and search for something like this, for this price you will not get something of this kind. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code. You will see the product. Now JOMSO has like cash on delivery option. If you're not comfortable using your credit card or debit card, you can always opt for cash on delivery. JOMSO has like worldwide shipping for an extra shipping charge, and even the return policy is super simple, guys. If you receive a defective product or if you didn't like the quality of the product, what you can do is mail them within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.